This is the mother of Ada Jesus, Mesoma. Mama, please, can you just greet them? Yeah, and this is also the family member, a wife of this is her mother, her daughter-in-law, a wife of one of her son, and if you can see there again, excuse me, yeah, this is also the family member. So we are here to thank every one of you. And the woman said, please, we would like to greet every one of us. Mama, please, over to you so you can.
Yeah. All over the world. Ada Jesus. Ana mekele onye ọbụla. Na mbụ, ana mekele Pastor Kingsley Okumonso. In short, ike egwu sisi ihe na ji na-agagharị efegharị na mba ụwa niile, efegharị na internet. Onye ma ọnụ ikwu okwu. Mana ọka pastor si all the way from Lagos since morning bịa ebe a. Ya mere njichi ikwu okwu. Ana m ekele ndị niile. Ana m ekele the whole Nigerians, all nọ na mba ụwa niile. Ndị na-agba mbọ in one way or the other. Ị na-ehe fada ma ndị na-ekpere ya ekpere. Mmadụ dịka Chimax and the Harrison na Igbo love themselves. Unu nwaka na ndị dị iche iche dị ịga ihe bada. In short, I couldn't believe my ears. I couldn't believe what I'm seeing on internet. I'm not going through internet now watching Lile Mandine Uku Mandine Kunjo Ekele Mono Chineke Gozunu Nine. Nobody ever kitana yo on behalf of Ada because I told me go since he came random short of ways. Now Sindini na that barre Monke Mawai, my pastor, my native doctor, now soon Biko Bahara. I'm very sorry. Even on a memoir that sometimes in culture Bawara Mumba, I'm very sorry. So everybody will may insult in one word or other. So Webria, another one, Nchorikubo, Biko, Asimun Yeremaka, Kelele Madodika Chimas, Madodika Harrison, Madodika Igbo love themselves, Nze Matthias, something, the founder of Igbo love themselves, in full force, both financial, in any way. Mom, the pastor see this, especially this pastor here, Pastor Okumonso, see all the way from Lagos River today. Oya we njikoko, achon mi kokiko ademike. Oh yeah me milito jua wonono, omanyi on ikoku. So Webria coming to the dim jeyo, I dim jeyo ayo. Mandi na batarano, mandi metra class we kwete an masunu ekele an mekele kwonu ncha. So you also na-ekwu n'ime na-ewe m iwe bụ the money a na-ewete like nke Chimarine wete the monara. My children they against it. It's not the issue. The issue bụ our happiness with the man who si wee nabata the apology or those wee forgive Father what we want the money amazim di m yota onye ọbụla na-eme uche ya ọ bụ na n'uche aka m nkarịsịa ka ọ gara ịtọrọpụrụ the money anyị bara ya mba. So not carry up with the money because it's not our reason of going, because it's not the main purpose of going there. No, so pastor what Chukwemeka and Emere something. So for the but this second one can fine, I can name Chukwugozia. But the thing is that Ega Honarana is never our problem, it's never the issue. The issue my own room at last we may accept the forgiveness. The money, please, I and my children, we don't need that money. Please, anybody I say please, my children need the account number. I should account number go send the account refund bag Pico. We don't need the money. At last. So now, I'm very sorry. At last. Forgive me. So ya can say one word the other. Now bumbo is not down through prayer or order. And my Chineke goes there moon chanine. Chineke kwụghachi unu ụgwụ one by one, ma ndị na-ewepụtasị ego inwe wọda, ma ndị dịkwa ịgatụ iwepụta anụmasị ike agwụkwala ụnụ asị mmadụ bụ chi bịa. So ekele m ụnụ. So what I'm saying in fact wụ ndị dị out iweta ego nọ. We are not forcing any church member or anybody with the go when these volunteer when you take the money already for speech you take go there or that table even ever no kitana more ever done because Mark and Harrison na Igbo love themselves. Yeah, or God, it is not short. It's like just naira me by force. Say, gini neme. I actually don't want, but now by force I need ha bad. I'm one way by dano and make a bunch of goes there. So even the American half na nwere snack with this go saw her like in case from church with my pastor with they go. I don't know how they see it, please. So onye nwere ike tag Chukwuemeka or Nemera or do what? Because nya tag ya send their account number. My children very very annoyed. We want to refund the money. I don't need this. What I need for him, that forgiveness. Woman I said simple.
Okay. Thank you everyone. God bless you. God bless you.
Excuse me, please.
Okay.
I forgot.
Okay.
Nekenekwa mmadụ dịkwa ka their village chief or village king mbụ gbakwa isokwe yọbakwa ya o wee kwetezi at last. Ana m ekelekwa ya Chukwu gozie onye fụ ya kenene m buru ikpe ekene bụ Jeremia Amusi ya onye nwe gozie ya gozie ezinụlọ ya n'aha Jesus.
All right. Mama, God bless you. Before I conclude this meeting or this video, I want to ask one question. From all indication, you people told me, because I never saw the video even up to this moment, where your husband went to, what's the name of that church? Okay, God's intervention. That is Pastor Chukwuemeka. So today it will be on air that he went there, and after everything, the man of God gave the man 1 million naira. And from all indication, please, can you tell the world exactly what happened? Did your husband went back there to apologize, or what happened?
Yeah, is that their village for village kindred of Odumeje or what?
Yeah.
Say an Odumeje say Abia. You have to go Jezienu. So we say ya nabatago ayu ya yoreya. On the process of rescue go Nyembia, it's not what they went for. All
right, thank you, God bless you. Okay, viewers all over the world, God bless you. I will keep on appreciating God. Number one, I am astonished for what I saw in this house this day, because I was expecting to see one kind old house as being stated in the media that the young lady that Jesus came from poor wretched family, but I never knew that the family has mansions here in Onitsha and a very big magnificent house. This is how many story building, man? 4-story building. Now is wonderful. I really appreciate God. This is new house. So bikono ka iji no wayo na ekwu okwu maka sanye mmono onye bụ onye onwa bịara onye odikasi na nke ya aguna odikasi na nke ya aguna. Nobody is praying for temptation to come, and when temptation come to somebody, please be mindful of what you say. Secondly, to those of us that are not hearing Igbo language, what the woman was trying to say is that to thank every one of you that have been praying for that Jesus, that have been praying for the family, that have been supporting every movement concerning her daughter. And he appreciated so many people that have volunteered themselves to help financially. He called themselves, Igbo love themselves. What again?
Yeah,
Chimax and Harrison. These are the set of people, good Nigerian citizens that have hijacked her from her. Even where she is right now, she doesn't know. So for you to know, and from all indication, our prayers are working indeed, because the girl is responding to treatment because people have taken over the case, and by God's grace, we keep on praying, we keep on believing God. One thing is sure, man is not God. God is God, and what God cannot do never exists. Again, I came here to just have a meeting with the family once again, even though we have been communicating. I've been praying for my daughter Ada. I don't know her for Adam, if not this thing. And I said, no, I want to have meeting, one-on-one meeting, because so many people have showed concern. They want me to know what is happening and give them feedback, both international and the local here. Every part of the world have been calling on phone. They want to know about the outcome of the sister. And today I'm here to tell them that I am with the families. Very soon I will also upload the picture of the father. I've also discussed with him, and he also salutes every one of you for your encouragement. Lastly, today about the video they said that is on air, how the father went to Prophet Chukwuemeka. The woman and the family confirmed that yesterday the Igwe of the man of God called the father of Ada Jesus, that Odumejo sent for him. That two of the Odumejo said that he should come with the man, which they went. Though the man confirmed that 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago that he met the man pleading, because they were friends, old-time friends. So he met the man about 2 weeks ago so that he can help him to talk to Odumeje, to plead. But that man tried before then, according to every information, but he didn't get any message, any response, because the man asked him to go, that he would get back to him. So he tried to reach him then, but the highness, the chief, the Eze could not pick his call, neither return to him. Then they now decided to go to see the man of God with themselves, which we all know that the man of God turned the plate upside down, could not accept the plate, neither to forgive the sister. And that was what prompted me, at least let the error be corrected. Correct who is not doing it well, so that next time he or she will not repeat it again. If not for another thing, for Christ's kingdom, for the body of Christ. I am also happy today that he said that he has forgiven the girl or the family, and also gave the father 1 million naira. But I was also surprised as I entered here. The family was telling me that they are not in support. They didn't go there for the first time to ask for money, because already if it's about money, people has come out to provide whatever money that is needed. That what they went there for the first time, which he turned down, was pure forgiveness. I have freed you, I have forgiven you. But he didn't do that. So this one, the chief or the Eze called the daddy to go there. That is the major is inviting them. They never believe that, or they never believe that the money will come, or the man didn't go there because of money. But finally, the man received the money without even calling the family. But the family is now telling us that they are not in need of that money. That what they need from the man of God is forgiveness, which he have done. So they have also thanked the man of God for forgiving at last. At least at last, he has forgiven. Only God knows what made him to call the meeting. Only God knows what made him to forgive. And only God knows what made him to give the money. But they're saying it that that money is not their problem. Therefore, that they need the account number so that the money can be transferred back to his account. Or even if he asks them to bring, Mama, he said even if he asks them to bring the money, that you are ready to bring the money to the church.
What we need is that forgiveness. We don't need that money.
Good. That is what that is the all.
Tag somebody. Please tag him. We don't need, me and my children, we don't need that money. What we need is that forgiveness. That's okay for us. Please, let him send his account number. We transfer the money to him, please.
They also pray for the man of God that God will bless him for forgiving, at least. And in summary, she also, on behalf of the family, thanked me that come from Lagos, all the way from Lagos,
It's not
to